everybody, welcome back to my channel. And till today we have finished the three things like square, circle and the cone. If you have missed out something and all the something of it, then all the links are given in the description box. And for the further ado, today we are going to learn the cylinder. So further ado, let's keep on watching. If you are still not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe, like the videos and share with your friends. Today we are going to learn the cylindrical, how to draw the cylinder. So this is a round, two parallel lines, and this will be curved down. So this is the way how you are going to draw the cylinder. What is the technique to shade it? This will be straight as I showed for the cone. If you have not seen the cone video, then please go and check it out, because that cone is similar to this, only the cone has this two joints and this has two parallel lines. That is only the difference. And here we are going to create this round. The shading will be like this. You can go spiral wise, anyhow, as I showed to you all the back all the videos. Like you can go any technique, you can go like the spirals or you can go like this. It's totally your choice, whatever is comfortable for you. Where to make it darkness and where to make it lightness. So I'll just draw it again and just show you. So just divide this into two parts. This has two base. This is a flat base and this is a round base. So we are going to take half a part, and when the light falls from here, this will be the light and this will be the dark one, as we did for the cone. Okay, and when this is dark, the opposite of it will be darkest. The down opposite of it will be darkest. Okay, and gradually when we move on top, this will be darkest, and gradually when we move on top, it is lighter. Now when here it is light, then here also it will be lighter. So here it will be darker. Okay, gradually here it will be darker, and when we move further, this will be lighter. Okay, and when we move here, this will be lighter and this will be darker. Like this, and gradually it will be medium and this will be lightest. When you collapse with two shades, like this is the darkest shade and this also will be the darkest shade, then just leave a very tiny line over here which will differentiate between the two shades. Okay, it is not like a white line you should leave. You should just leave the first coat of the pencil, HB pencil, that is a fine line you can differentiate between it. Okay, the pencils I have used here are HB and 8B, but you can use HB, 2B, 4B, 8B and 10B. These are the all pencils you can use, but I have used HB and 8B because HB is very harder and you can mix it really properly, and I love HB, working with HBs, because it doesn't have little darker effect and all. When my full figure is complete, I go on with a 8B. If you want to go gradually, like use little bit of HB and then little bit of 2B, then 4B, that is like, it's personally your choice, whatever you like, but I personally love doing this way. Further ado, let's watch the further video. So we are going to start with the pencil, HB pencil and a cartridge. the HB pencil has no capacity to give you the dark shade, but it has a little softer effect to just blend out everything. So I'm just shading it. You can see how I'm shading it. So I'm just explaining you. I have now, you can see the little bit darker side. So whatever you do darker, it will go backwards. Whatever you keep lighter, it will come forward. So same way I want that round effect. So I'm just going to do darker that side, that darker to the edges, so I can give that round illusion. Okay, and just continue doing the darkness till that you get your round illusion. Okay, continue the same way. Now the second side also we are going to do the same way and just blend it again, make it little darker. See that how it has come darker. Both the sides will go backwards and you will get that beautiful cylindrical this. Until now I'm just using HB. I'm just blending and blending like this is HB pencil only. Just blend it really nicely. Now you can see a small line where near the circle it is shown. We leave that line because you need to create the differentiation between that circle, the above one and the below one, because it has that a really strong line when it divides into two parts. Okay, here I have taken 6B pencil and just going to blend it really nicely and only use for the depthness. Blend it so well that you should not see any of the lines, and please concentrate on the roundness of the object and just create a direct illusion, creating the depthness. Whenever you play on with your shadings, please do remember you need to create 3 shades: light, medium and dark. So these are all the shades we have created, and I'm just blending. I'm going to take the HB pencil and I'm going to blend it all over. I just wanted to blend it really supremely, really good. So blend it. Okay, just go on till you get the proper effect on it. You can as well go with HB, 2B, 4B, 6B gradually, whatever is easy for you and whatever you can do, and just take it really like it's superly easy. Just don't find it really difficult. If you have any questions, then please comment me below this video. It will mean a lot to me and I will be really helpful to answer your questions. Bye.